A tiny bird was spotted struggling in a spider's web. We assumed that it could never happen, and maybe the footage is fake, right? Because how could something thinner than a strand of human hair trap a bird? But spider silk isn't ordinary. While it's designed to catch insects, the tension and structure of some webs can be surprisingly strong. Strong enough to entangle a panicked bird mid-flight. Their webs can hold weights of several grams, enough to trap more than just flies birds flying low. But it also become invisible traps that can easily crash the bird. And once a bird is stuck, they easily become the spider's next meal.